Morning!
Today we are at a very special place, and you probably know where we are from the title of the video, but we wanted to come here for a while and I can't believe this exists, so we're so excited. We brought all the gear, we're going to take so much footage, and we really want to show you this awesome place.
What do you have in that box?
So this place is actually free to come to. The guy that owns this place and this property, he has a website and he says you're welcome to come as long as you email him, make an appointment. So we got him some cakes just to say thank you.
This is from the Russian store too, right?
Yeah, so we stopped by this Russian store in Portland and it's like the best Russian store we've ever been to. It was so big too. I wish we had something like that at home.
Hello. Yeah. Thoughts?
Wow, what an experience.
He has water, he has 3 toilets, which none of you probably do at home. I mean, it's pretty uncommon to have 3 toilets.
If you have a big house.
Yeah. Besides that, he's got his own bed, he's got a living room,
Kitchen, shower. We'll link the website that this guy has. His name is Bruce Campbell. Very, very nice guy. He's so sweet. So we'll link his website below, and he basically writes a lot about this project that he did and how you could do it too if you're very inclined.
If you have $300,000
Yeah,
and that's for lower end.
Yeah, and he writes about how you can visit him, and it's really not hard. All we did was I emailed him, I said why we were interested to come see his home, And he emailed back and he said, yeah, come. And he's just so chill. He's so nice. It's like, it's just such a nice experience. It's so unique. I can't believe it's real. Like, am I dreaming right now?
I'm pretty sure you're gonna have just as good of a time with this as we had. We had probably even a better time because we got to experience it in person. But I would suggest coming down here. It's really not too hard to get here. It's really not too far from
so
Portland.
Simple, yeah.
It's amazing.
So that's it, guys. We really hope you enjoyed this video. We definitely enjoyed our time here. And if you enjoyed this, please give it a like. And if you want to see more things from us, subscribe.